Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel where we discuss all things artificial intelligence. Today's topic is an interesting one. Can machines be creative? Human creativity has always been one of the most fascinating and sought-after attributes. So much so that we've always been curious if machines can ever possess such a trait. To start with, let's understand what creativity really means. What is creativity? Creativity is the ability to generate novel ideas, concepts or solutions that are both useful and original. It involves coming up with new and unique ways of thinking, and can be applied to a wide range of fields, from art to science, to engineering and more. Can machines be creative? The short answer is, yes. Machines can be creative, but the extent of their creativity is limited to their programming and the data they have been trained on. For example, we have seen machines generating art, music, and even poetry. These machines have been programmed to analyze vast amounts of data and recognize patterns, and then use those patterns to create something new. One such example is the AI-generated painting that was sold at Christie's auction house for $432,500. The painting, called Portrait of Edmond de Bellamy, was created by a machine learning algorithm that analyzed thousands of images of 19th-century portraits and then generated a new image based on what it learned. Similarly, Google's Magenta project has been exploring how machines can be used to create music. They have developed a neural network called InSynth that can create new sounds by combining the qualities of existing sounds. Another example is the AI-generated poem that won a Japanese literary contest. The poem was written by a machine learning algorithm that was trained on thousands of poems and then generated a new poem based on what it learned. So, while machines can be creative, the extent of their creativity is limited to their programming and the data they have been trained on. Can machines replace human creativity? Now, this is where things get interesting. While machines can be creative, can they replace human creativity? The answer is, it depends. Machines can certainly perform some creative tasks better than humans. For example, machines can analyze vast amounts of data quickly and identify patterns that humans may not be able to see. This can be incredibly useful in fields like data analysis, where machines can be used to identify trends and make predictions. Similarly, machines can be used to create art, music, and other forms of media. While the art and music generated by machines may not be as emotionally expressive as those created by humans, they can still be interesting and unique. However, there are certain areas where machines cannot replace human creativity. For example, machines cannot replicate the emotional and experiential aspect of creativity. Creativity often involves drawing on personal experiences, emotions, and perceptions, which machines do not have. Furthermore, creativity involves the ability to improvise and adapt, to come up with solutions that are outside of the box. This is an area where machines struggle, as they are limited to their programming and the data they have been trained on. The future of AI and creativity. So, what does the future hold for AI and creativity? While machines cannot replace human creativity, they can certainly enhance it. For example, imagine a future where machines are used to assist artists, musicians, and writers in their creative process. Machines could be used to analyze vast amounts of data and provide insights that humans may not have thought of. They could also be used to create a base for human creativity, providing a starting point for artists and writers to build upon. In the field of design, machines are already being used to create prototypes and models. For example, a machine learning algorithm developed by MIT can generate new designs for products like chairs, tables, and lamps based on a set of design constraints provided by the user. These designs can then be modified and refined by humans, resulting in unique and innovative designs that would have been difficult to create otherwise. In the field of medicine, AI is already being used to develop new drugs and treatments. Researchers are using machine learning algorithms to analyze vast amounts of medical data and identify new drug targets and treatment options. This has the potential to revolutionize the field of medicine and save countless lives. In the field of education, AI can be used to personalize learning for each student, providing them with a customized curriculum that caters to their individual learning styles and abilities. This could lead to more engaged and successful students, and ultimately a better educated population. So, machines can be creative, but the extent of their creativity is limited to their programming and the data they have been trained on. While machines cannot replace human creativity, they can certainly enhance it, providing insights and tools that can help humans create more innovative and unique works of art, music, and literature. As we move forward into the future, it's important to remember that AI and creativity are not mutually exclusive. Rather, they are complementary, and together they have the potential to revolutionize many aspects of our lives. Wait, before you go, let's dive into some of the ethical implications of AI and creativity. One of the biggest concerns with AI-generated content is that it can be used to deceive people. For example, AI-generated news articles can be used to spread false information and propaganda. Similarly, AI-generated images and videos can be used to create deepfakes, which can be used to spread misinformation and even blackmail individuals. Another concern is the impact of AI on employment. As machines become more capable of performing creative tasks, there is a risk that they will replace human workers, leading to job loss and economic disruption. It's important to consider ways to ensure that AI is used responsibly and ethically, and that it benefits society as a whole. Finally, there is the question of ownership and copyright. If a machine creates a work of art, who owns the rights to that work? Is it the machine's creator, the programmer who wrote the code, or the user who trained the machine? These are complex legal questions that will need to be addressed as AI becomes more prevalent in the creative industries. As we continue to explore the possibilities of AI and creativity, it's important to approach the technology with caution and responsibility. By working together, we can ensure that AI is used in a way that benefits society and enhances human creativity, rather than replacing it. Thank you for joining me in this discussion. I hope it has given you some food for thought. Don't forget to leave your comments and suggestions below. See you in the next video.